as I told you, the triangle in front of the sternocleidomastoid, that is anterior triangle, yes sir, and behind to it there is the posterior triangle of the neck. Fine. Now one by one we are going to follow the each triangle. First we are talking about the our posterior triangle of the neck. So try to understand, there is a one bone in the neck, that is our hyoid bone. Fine. And here you can see scapula in the our thoracic cavity, coracoid process, glenoid cavity, body of the scapula. Fine. Now try to understand, one muscle is there. I am using the green color to differentiate with other muscles, which is coming from the hyoid bone, passing behind the sternocleidomastoid, and then passing down, and it is attached to the our scapula near the suprascapular notch. Yes, this muscle is known as, what is the nomenclature? This is our superior belly of what? Omohyoid muscle. And in the same way, this another portion of the muscle is known as inferior belly of what? Omohyoid muscle. Getting the point? Also, you can observe that this inferior belly of omohyoid, it is dividing the posterior triangle into the two parts. What are the two parts? Can you see? 1 and 2. Yes, this is the upper, and here is our lower portion. Got the point? So you can observe that behind the our sternocleidomastoid, okay, but close to the our occipital region, this is known as sub-occipital triangle, and another portion which is just above the clavicle, that is known as supraclavicular triangle. And we will observe from this supraclavicular triangle, our subclavian artery and the subclavian vein, they will pass. That's why it is also known as the subclavian triangle. What we had learned from this portion, that posterior triangle of neck, it is divided into the suboccipital triangle and our supraclavicular triangle.